And what do you think I'm going to do in here? This freaking window regulator just broke. It's everything is done to the car. I thought everything works now. It doesn't drop any oil. Everything is, I've done the alignment on the wheels, everything, and I'm driving home and bam, the windows drops. And I have to fly in holiday, but I need the car for another 2 or 3 days. After that I'm going to fly in holiday, and for these 2 or 3 days I just have to do something because I don't have time to repair it. So I hope it's not a bad idea, because if I'm going to take this double side from the double side tape, I hope it's not going to remain in here, and when I'm going to put the new regulator it's going to stick anytime. I hope so. I hope it's going to hold for 3 days at least. Let's see. I received my window regulator in here. I hope this is a good one, because I've ordered already the part before I removed it from this car. So yeah, let's hope this will fit. And now, oops, the car is locked. Now I have to take the door panel out and replace that. Yeah, it came without the motor. Yeah, we have to replace the motor, to swap the motor in here, and pretty much that's about it. Now with that foam removed out of the way, we can see the whole unit from the window. Yeah, the window regulator. We have a 10mm nut in here, another one in here, and another one right here. We have to remove these 3 ones, and this is the piece that holds the window. I will remove everything, and I'm gonna show you the broken piece. So I'm going to use both of my hands because I have to hold the window in order to remove this. Now we have the piece out. Yeah, this is the original piece. Yeah, as you can see, the cable is all flimsy because, oh my freaking god, what's wrong today? Anyway, another one. Okay, so as you can see, this is the broken piece from the plastic, and this should be in here. Yeah, you can see clearly from there. And this is the new piece. Everything seems to be okay. Now I just have to swap the motor in here, and that's about it. And before we put the panel, we have to reset the button in order to know where it's bottom down and top up. Yeah. now that it's done, I've put the nuts, yeah, here, the motor plug, I've put the window, yeah, I put the button in here, yeah, the key is on ignition, but you don't have to put the ignition on, just to put the key into the slot. And as you can see, I press down and the window goes up, yeah, okay, it's down now. And as you can see, up doesn't work, auto mode. Okay, so now that it's completely bottom, yeah, you have to press down for about 10 seconds, something like this. Okay, after that you have to, now it's completely up, yeah, you have to make sure that it's completely up. Hold press about 10 seconds for till the button is going to reset or remember the position. Okay, and now the auto mode should work and stop from, yeah, it's working. Yeah, and auto up is not working because it's working just with ignition on from the back. From the driver side it should work, but I'm going to test now before I put everything back. Yeah, okay, let's see. Ignition and okay, down works. Maybe I have to reset it from here as well. Okay. It's down. Let's reset it down. Okay, let's test with the remote control. I have to close the door. And let's see. Open. Oops. Just a second to have the view. Okay, we have a small delay on that window. Okay, let's put it completely down. Oh yeah, now the sunroof will open. Okay. And now let's close everything. Let's see. Haha, works. So now job done. And job done. Yeah, I've put everything back together. Everything works just fine. Yeah, I've tested everything. I can say job well done. I just have to wipe clean the window because I had some tape in here in order to hold the glass, but I don't need it anymore. So I hope you like this episode. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.